Sir, अभी आपने बात की you've talked to a lot of at all of these corporate events. You've interacted with startups, with very large organizations also. Can you tell me or rather our viewers about what do you feel is lacking today? Anything that you feel in these interactions जो आपको लगता है which your kind of book tries to bridge this gap. So what are the kind of gaps that you've kind of identified in your conversations with them?
See, a corporate scenario and a military scenario. This question was asked to me in a recent interaction, not in these many words, but the question asked by that very senior executive lady. She says, "Sir, for me,
Hmm.
making money for my organization is the main thing.
Right.
Whereas for you, doing everything to save the honor of the country is the main thing. You don't bother about how much money you're getting." And she says, for some reason, most of us may not be on board bothered कि border पे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. We are busy making money, not bothered about other things. You are busy saving the honor of the country, not bothered about money. She says, how can we mesh? So my answer is, making money is not bad. Don't feel apologetic about making money. It is your business to make money. When you make money, you generate jobs. When you generate jobs, you increase the country's GDP and other assets. My job is to protect the nation. I would protect the nation with all my might. Because मेरे लिए पैसा जरूरी नहीं है. आपके लिए पैसा जरूरी है. So let's not compare ourselves with each other. Let's do our jobs शिद्दत से in our own environment.
Right.
We are apples and oranges.
Right.
Both
Pretty
are sweet.
much.
So we should work on our own sweetness and work it with the same वफादारी, ईमानदारी, जिम्मेदारी. I won't say no, 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 आप आ जाइए border पे खड़े हुए मेरे साथ. No. That is my job. I'll do it well. Here is your job to make money. Do it well. Both have advantages for the nation. Nation needs both of us. So let's not compare. Let's complement.
Absolutely.
And we will be great. We are great.
Yeah, that
We will
is
be
true.
greatest.
That is true. So my last question in this segment is when we talk about leadership, there are some qualities that almost everybody talks about. ठीक है, adaptable होना चाहिए, she should lead from the front, should be strong, should be level-headed. Can you tell us about some, say, undervalued or which are equally critical, but people don't talk about certain values that leaders should imbibe that people just don't know enough about or don't talk about enough?
See, these qualities of a leader or attributes of a leader, which you're talking about, he should be adaptive and all that. All this on paper is very good. And of course, they have to be in a leader on ground also. And this probably, these qualities may be there in 40, 50, 60% of the people.
Correct.
The most, you can say, important aspect of military leadership, which some people may talk about it, some people may have written about it, is your ability to lead from the front, not as the book says. And your ability to lead from the front is not your ability. It is your capability which your men believe you have. So it is not your personal quality, it is your attributed quality, which the people whom you are leading, they must believe that you have this quality. You are a leader enough to lead them. So I hope I'm able to explain this. It is not my quality.
Absolutely.
It is the quality my people feel.
It's that energy, it's that spirit that comes to.
And then I remember a Jawan walking up to me, and when by the way, I had commanded another unit.
Right, sir.
I was commissioned in 4 Rajrif. I commanded 15 Rajrif. So when I was commanding 15 Rajrif, and no one knew me, I didn't know anyone, and we were in Kashmir, and we were sitting in snowbound area, and we had a very, very important task at hand, which we had to do. And one very senior Subedar Sahab walked up to me, and he was telling me, I said, "Khana kaisa hai?" I was talking to him normally in the camp. So he said, "Sahab, khana acha hai, masale yahan se aate, wahan se aate." And then he tells me, after about talking to me for 10 minutes, since he had not known me as a youngster, I had not known him, he says, "Sahab, आपका ना मैंने जो देखा है आपका वेलफेयर बहुत अच्छा है." Now, since I talked about the food, I talked about the tentage, I talked about the winter clothing,
बिल्कुल।
I talked about other administrative aspects. And he says, "Sab, आपका ना welfare बहुत अच्छा है."
हम्म
यानी कि you give lot of importance
हम्म
to the welfare. तो एसिड साहब, ये जो मैंने आपसे बातें की हैं ना, मेरी किताब में इनका नाम वेलफेयर नहीं है। मैंने कहा ये जिम्मेवारियां हैं। खाना अच्छा हो, लंगर कमांडर सीनियर जेसीओ की जिम्मेवारी है। क्लोथिंग अच्छी हो, ये क्वार्टर मास्टर साहब की जिम्मेवारी है। लाइन्स वगैरह अच्छी हो, ये कंपनी कमांडर सीईओ की जिम्मेवारी अच्छी है।
बिल्कुल
आपकी चिट्ठी आ रही है, चिट्ठी जा रही है, यू नो ऑल दोस थिंग, हर ना किसी की एक जिम्मेदारी है।
बिल्कुल।
ऐसे उसके लिए उनको तनख्वाह मिलती है,
हम्म
और अगर वो जिम्मेदारी ठीक से नहीं निभाएंगे तो मैं ऐसा डंडा मारूंगा कि वो जिम्मेदारी ठीक से निभेगी। ऐसा ये वेलफेयर नहीं है, इस गलत यू नो सॉर्ट ऑफ आइडिया में मत रहिए। ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जिम्मेवारियां हैं।
हम्म
तो सूर्य साहब ने पूछते, साहब फिर वेलफेयर क्या है? ऐसा वेलफेयर है, ये है कि मैं कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हूँ, हम हमले में जा रहे हैं, विच वी आर प्लानिंग। ऐसे मैं कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हूँ, हम हमले में जा रहे हैं, और मैं ऐसी प्लानिंग करूँ कि मिशन भी कंप्लीट हो और आप सब के सब इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ वापिस ठीक ठाक अपने परिवार के पास आ जाए। नाउ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। वेलफेयर है मैं और मेरे साथी अपना मिशन कंप्लीट करके, अपने मिशन में कामयाब होके और वापस अपनी सरजमी के ऊपर या कब्जा की हुई सरजमी के ऊपर इस्टेब्लिश कर ले। वो जो प्लानिंग है, दैट इज वेलफेयर ऑफ मैन, नॉट दैट कि उनका खाना ठीक है या उनका क्लोथिंग ठीक है या उनकी चिट्ठी आ रही है या नहीं। नो, वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, किसी की जिम्मेवारी है। आई विल मेक श्योर दैट चैप डज हिज जिम्मेवारी प्रॉपर्ली। So welfare is beyond and above. So these are a few things. You know, I don't go by the theories of leadership. I reject the theories in the first chapter itself. कि मेरे को शायद पढ़ाई हो, शायद ना भी पढ़ाई हो, but frankly I don't remember. Now where is this theory written? कि commanding officer says कि ये खाना मेरी जिम्मे welfare नहीं है,
बिल्कुल।
clothing welfare नहीं है.
That actually means going by the book, sir. अगर कोई ऐसे चीजें बोलता है, that's actually just going by the book.
वेलफेयर होता है कि खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, क्लोथिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, अकोमोडेशन अच्छी होनी चाहिए, छुट्टी टाइम से मिलनी चाहिए। नो, ये तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है किसी की। ही हैज टू फुलफिल देम।
बिल्कुल।
यू नो, इफ आई एम पेड टू गिव गुड फूड टू माय जवान्स, आई कांट से कि यू नो खाना अच्छा नहीं दूंगा। तनख्वाह किस बात की मिलती है?
100%।
सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट माइंडसेट। जो विनर्स माइंडसेट है ना, इंडियन आर्मी में एक अप्रिसिएशन लिखते हैं, पॉजिटिविटी की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो एप्रिसिएशन लिखते हैं उसके शुरू से लेके आखिर तक, चाहे वो एप्रिसिएशन अटैक की है, चाहे वो डिफेंस की है, चाहे वो काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशन की है, शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक यू कैन नॉट राइट अ सिंगल नेगेटिव लाइन इन दैट एप्रिसिएशन। एवरी लाइन हैज टू बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड पॉजिटिवली। दैट मीन्स आपका माइंड सेट अगर पॉजिटिव नहीं है ऑपरेशन को प्लान करते हुए, हाउ कैन यू हैव अ सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशन? स्मॉल थिंग्स दे मैटर, little things matter big time. May it be army, may it be military, may it be defense, may it be corporate, may it be school, college, professional life, or personal life at home. Small things matter and they make a big difference.
So हमने बुक के बारे में इतनी बात करी है, वफादारी, ईमानदारी, जिम्मेदारी. Now you have to tell our readers how can they actually end up purchasing this copy.
Purchasing of Wafadari, Imandari, Zimmedari, the pre-orders from 20th of March are open. You can order your book and pre-order your book with the browsers Chandigarh for G days, and I will sign the book pre-ordered on the browsers for G days by name for every reader who places an order. The browsers Chandigarh and for G days, they ship the books signed by the author by name all across the world. They have their website, they have their Insta handles and Twitter handles, and they also have a WhatsApp number which is there in the description. They will put it. You can even call them up and place an order, and the book will reach you by name, signed for you by the author. That is myself.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for this segment. And we have a lot more questions to cover. So we're going to come back and do another set of videos with you. Thank you so much, sir, for this.
Thank you. And look forward to another segment. And take care.
Thank
It was
you.
nice
Sir.
talking to you.
Thanks. Same here, sir.
And
thank you, sir.
Once again, giving this interview or talking to you, always bring in the feelings which I was getting while writing the book.
That is such an honor, sir. That is such an honor to hear.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. and take care. Jai Hind. The only request: read good books, read original books. Lot of people's families, the children, including the bookstore people, the bookstore handlers, the people who are printing in the publishing houses and other things, their livelihood depends on you buying original books. Be a good citizen, be a good reader, read good books, read original books. God bless you. Thank you and Jai Hind.
इससे भी जिम्मेदारी थी सर।
इसमें भी जिम्मेदारी है। ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, आपको अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभानी है। और बाय द वे, वफादारी, ईमानदारी, जिम्मेदारी की किताब पायरेटेड खरीदोगे
हाँ।
तो फिर मैं क्या बोलूँगा आपको? I agree
This is
with
a
you.
good note to end on, sir.
Thank you
Absolutely.
and Jai Hind.